Yang terutama sekali saya nak memohon maaf kepada semua customer kita. Bos, tengah buat apa? Tengah tengok invoices ni. Masya Allah, tabarakallah. Yang terutama sekali saya nak memohon maaf kepada semua customer kita yang mungkin menerima package lambat sedikit. Tahun ni memang betul-betul kita expected 30% peningkatan, tapi it went beyond that. Again, saya pun nak mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih kepada semua pelanggan Pondok Abang. We try our best to deliver fast, convenient and delicious food products to you all as soon as possible. Alhamdulillah, we take all feedback that we receive positively, be it good feedback and also constructive feedback. Tapi kebanyakan we are so appreciative kepada you all. Sangat sporting, yang ada pun terima lambat, selambat 11 lebih 12, still mengucapkan terima kasih kepada kita punya driver, because you all faham kita pun sedang mencuba terbaik sekali during this peak period. Tapi yang ada a few yang kasih kita constructive feedback. Kita of course sebagai manusia pun sedih juga, kerana ramai of us we are trying our best. Yang ada besok nak raya kat Malaysia pun masih ada kat sini nyari, trying our best. Kepada mereka semua yang feel that sikit kekurangan, kita maaf, minta maaf lagi. Dan insyaAllah tahun depan kita akan memperbaiki. Tahun ni for your information, kita dah gunakan 4 lori kita untuk island wide delivery. Kita tambah lagi 1 lori lagi untuk buat delivery, dan kita pun gunakan kita punya kereta sendiri, personal car pun untuk buat delivery. Itu pun unfortunately yang ada masih dapat lambat juga due to certain factors lah. Kadang-kadang kita hantar rumah orang, tak ada orang, kita nak kena tunggu, kita nak kena contact, so added up together dah jadi lambat for some people.
This year, Alhamdulillah, we are doing our best and we have achieved beyond our expectation, which is Alhamdulillah, MashaAllah. Still, we are trying our best and hope we meet every customer's expectation, and thank you for everyone customer for supporting Pondok Abang.
So how long have you not seen your family now?
1 month, full Ramadan. And in future also, we expect to support Pondok Abang by every customers, insyaAllah.
Unexpected beyond our expectation. Sambutan daripada customer Pondok Abang sangatlah meriah. Masya Allah, tabarakallah. Kita sangat berterima kasih kita sangat menghargai semua order-order daripada customer, dan kita buat terbaik yang boleh. Yang mana dapat hari raya package lambat, minta maaf tapi insyaAllah tetap akan sampai. Mungkin lambat sikit.
Berapa lama tak jumpa keluarga ni?
Dah sebulan lebih sepanjang puasa tahun depan insyaAllah kita akan memperbaiki apa yang kita kurang tahun ni, insyaAllah.
This one very important item all product Pondok Abang.
It's very good for the support from the community. Thank you so much. We're very blessed, very appreciative, and we hope you can continue to support us again next year. We are always trying to find ways to improve, trying to be faster, to be more efficient, to be more effective, more cost effective also, and this translates to our customers and partners as well.
This year, a lot order, but very nice, more than last year. All customers' review is all are appreciate for our delivery and items also. All are good, Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes.
So we hope that next year we can be even better.
Yes, boss.
But again, insyaAllah, we will continue to strive forward to improve ourselves and definitely come back stronger next year, so that we can serve even more of you that we love so much. So thank you very much for supporting us. Wishing everyone Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri.
Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri.
Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri.
Maaf,
Zahir
dan batin.